At the end of the session, you will be able to know the components of ARA terminal block small, identify each component by name, locate component by name, and learn the process of assembly.
Click on the menu and select required topic. ARA terminal block small consists of insulated base with terminal bolts, clamp nut, binding nut, washer and link as per RDSO specification number IRS S75 by 2006 and RDSO drawing numbers SA 23741A. Click on the menu and select required topic.
Roll your mouse over the components of ARA terminal block to know its name. Click each component for details.
Now let us understand in detail about the construction of an insulated base with terminal bolts. Insulated base with terminal bolts is a rectangular base on which insulated bolts are embedded as per RDSO drawing number SA 23742A. Insulated base is made of glass fiber reinforced with PBT, that is polybutylene terephthalate, for providing insulations between terminal bolts. The insulated base is having provision for fixing the base on a board. The insulated base is having provision for locking with adjacent insulated base. The terminal bolts are threaded studs as per RDSO drawing number SA 411 by M and made of brass. Now let us understand the construction of binding nut in detail. Each ARA terminal bolt requires two binding nuts. Binding nuts are used to hold the cable conductor and to hold the link firmly and tightly. These binding nuts are hexagonal in shape and made of brass as per RDSO drawing number S407 by M. Now let us understand in detail about the construction of clamp nut. The purpose of the clamp nut is to clamp the terminal bolt to insulated base. These are hexagonal brass nuts as per RDSO drawing number S408 by M. One clamp nut is used for each terminal bolt. Now let us understand the construction of washer in detail. The purpose of the washer is to prevent loosening of nuts due to vibration. The washer is made of brass as per RDSO drawing number S409 by M. There are 3 washers for each terminal bolt. Click on the menu and select required topic.
The text box at the bottom highlights the label of a component. Roll over the mouse over ARA terminal and click on the correct component to identify it.
Now let us assemble an ARA terminal block small. Firstly, a set of washers is placed on the insulated base with terminal bolts on which a set of clamp nuts is fixed. Next, one more set of washers is placed followed by the wire. After the wire, a third set of washers is placed. All these parts are then binded together by a pair of binding nuts. A link is placed above the binding nuts with the collar of the link facing downwards. Finally, all parts are binded together by another set of binding nuts. Close the session, click Exit.